Kung may trabaho ka, bakit kailangan mong matutong magnegosyo? By the way, ako si Mark Vasquez and ang negosyo ko ay mga quality vitamins. Meron akong video na napanood kay Sir Chinkitan na baka meron kang matutunan. Panoorin mo yung video.
We need to create another source of what? Income. Chinky, why should I create another source of income? I'm earning already enough. Yes, right now you are earning enough. What I'm saying is what? Just in case. Okay, just in case your business slows down. Just in case your income slows down. Just in case something happens to you physically. The moment you stop working, you stop earning. But you don't stop what? Spending. If you don't have another source of income, that will be a disaster already. Because you won't have any cash flow. Pag wala kang cash flow, you'll be forced to borrow. And once you borrow, you'll be in debt. So, in other words, very important that we need to be open-minded. The good news is, aside from your work right now as your JOB, you keep it, then open another source of income. So, you can have a plan A, you can have a plan B.
Ang pinakatumatak sa akin ay yung buksan mo yung isip mo na mag-create ng another source of income para kahit papano meron kang plan A or plan B. Kasi guys, naalala ko lang during pandemic na talagang marami ang nawalan ng trabaho, nagbawas ng empleyado. Marvic, gusto ko na magnegosyo kaso hindi ko alam kung anong negosyo ang pwede kong pasukin. Meron pala akong alam na negosyo na pwede mong silipin. Kung interesado ka, comment how sa comment section.